Thank you for your order. And now we can take a checky together. You ready to take a checky together? What would you like on your checky? I had a bean? I had a bean! Oh my god, I had a bean! Pass wall! I'm sorry! I forgot! Oh my god! I'll spin for a bean. I'll spin for a bean right now.
Yes! Yeah!
Let me spin for the bean. Spin. Okay. I see how it is. We got, it'll either be birthday cake or dirty dishwater today.
Later.
Okay, I'll eat the bean now. We gotta find out what this bean is. I think it's gonna be birthday cake. That's what I believe in my heart of hearts, that it'll be birthday cake. We ready to see? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Dead.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's a new sound. What sound? What sound? I'm sorry. It was dirty dishwater. It was dirty dishwater flavor. It sound like someone squeezed an old dog toy. Like hiccups down your water pipe. I don't want to hear it. I'm embarrassed now. I don't want to hear it. Smokey, why do I get my hat back? Hey, 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 hey. That's an Among Us? No! No!